How to record calls in Samsung phone without any app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your phone application, then tap on this three dot. After that, go to settings. Now you will see an option of record calls. Go over there and then make sure you have enabled this auto record calls button. Also enable this show notification after recording, and after each call that is recorded you will get a notification that that call is recorded. Now if you want to see all the recorded calls, go to this recorded calls and here you will find the files. You will have to go to audio files and then go to Samsung, and here you will find recorded calls folder as well, and you will be able to access to the recorded calls in your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.